When starting on the home screen or main screen layout, the Process Output screen can be found in the upper left quadrant. To open the Process Output screen, double-tap on the quadrant. It is important to understand that this screen will be the least used screen by you as an operator. In most situations, you will be communicating directly with SCHMIDT technology, and they will instruct you to open this screen to pull the required information. This screen is dedicated solely to data and transmission output. Across the upper portion of the screen, you will find 6 different tabs. These tabs are titled Status, Press Results, Interface, Options, Process Values, and Data Transmission. The Status tab is primarily used by SCHMIDT Technologies when troubleshooting any issues with the Press or PRC 700 control. The Press Results tab shows the results of the pressing action just completed. The Interface tab is dedicated to any additional interfaces added to the press. These interfaces can include barcode readers or cameras, for example, but there are additional interface options. This tab allows those individual interfaces to be monitored. The Options tab provides real-time status of various options within your SCHMIDT press. The Process Values tab shows the value of each process. As with all other tabs, this is a data screen. The Data Transmission tab shows the data which is being transmitted and received. Again, the Process Output screen is the least used screen by operators and will primarily be used when troubleshooting potential issues with SCHMIDT technology. However, it is important to understand the screen layout so you can quickly navigate the screen to expedite the process.